how to mount your solar panels using the 2-panel top-of-pole mount kit from RPS Solar Pumps. And of course, if you ever get stuck with your purchase of any kit, you'll have access to our friendly customer support team who can walk you through install over the phone. First, start by preparing your additional tools and equipment needed by referring to the list on the left-hand side. Then, dig a 30 to 48 inch deep hole. The depth you dig the hole depends on your area's frost line. Ensure that the area you're placing the top-of-pole mount is unobstructed and is south-facing for exposure to the sun, as that is the direction you'll be setting up your solar panels. Insert your set post into the middle of the hole. Ensure the pole is stable and centered before you start slowly pouring in your cement mixture. Prior to the cement settling, make sure that the post is leveled and straight. To assemble the 2-piece solar panels, get your pole brackets and insert the bolts L from the inside through the 2 middle holes, then slightly secure with the M nuts. Repeat with the other pole bracket. Once that's finished, you'd want to attach the 2 pole brackets to the top of the set post and secure it tightly by using the 4 long eye bolts and K nuts to clamp it. Use your compass to confirm that the clamps are facing north and south and the bolts are aligned with east and west. After, remove the M nuts that were previously used to hold the pole bracket together and attach the tilt bracket to each side of the pole brackets and secure tightly with M nuts. Then attach the extension rails onto the top of the tilt bracket and use the J bolts and K nuts to mount them. Next, get the panel rails and begin by sliding 1 L hex bolt into the bottom slots on each side of the rails. Then move the panel rails into the position where the bolts go through the holes in the extension rails. Secure tightly with the M nuts. To attach the solar panels onto the panel rails, start by securing the end clamps to one side of the panel rails. Carefully lay down one solar panel, then insert and slide the mid clamps from the top slot of each of the panel rails until it reaches the solar panel and is centered. Tighten down the mid clamps hand tight, do not over tighten. Once again, gently place the second solar panel onto the rails and secure it tightly by adding end clamps to the top of the panel. And once you're finished, this is what other customer installs have looked like in the field. Give RPS a call if you have questions or want to size a pump and mounting kit.